All right, we got a toy rocket here, modeled by this equation. So we're going to use a quadratic formula to figure out the time when this thing's going to hit the ground. So in order to do that, we first find A, B, and C values. This is in standard form, but we only have two terms, so we got to figure out what's what. So the t squared is our A value, so we got negative 16. The t is our B value, so that's going to be 128. Now we do not have a constant. We do not have a number without a variable, so that's our C. Because there's nothing, C value is 0. Now just like before, we are going to copy and paste this. Make sure you hit the little math symbol. You get the little magic box. And just like before, we're now going to plug in our A, B, and C values into the equation. So B becomes 128. B 128. A is negative 16. C is at 0. A negative 16. Now before we do anything with this, we're going to simplify. So we're going to combine all the terms that we can. We're going to chunk it out. We are going to do copy and paste it so we don't have to type that all out. First, we simplify the number in front of the plus minus. There's no dual negatives, so it stays negative 128. We're going to open up our calculator, and we're going to do everything underneath. Oops, that b shouldn't be there. The square root. So we can copy everything from under the square root. If this let me. Come on. All right, it's not playing nice, so we're not going to do that. We'll do 128 squared minus 4 times negative 16 times 0. So we're going to end up with, instead of this, I'm going to put 1, 6, 3, 8, 4. And on the bottom, when we multiply these, we get negative 32. All right, so remember, to simplify this further, we need to get rid of this plus minus sign. So the plus minus sign means we split this up to the next line. We're going to paste this thing in here twice because we have to solve it with addition and we have to solve it with subtraction. So to solve this, highlight it, copy it, paste it in your calculator. We get 0 when there's addition. And when there's subtraction, we get 8. The thing here is it says, how long does the flight take? 0 is an actual time we can use, but the flight, it didn't take 0 seconds, right? That's the time when it started. So our answer, even though there's 2, is going to be the 8 seconds.